Welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see about how to make a resume for free. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get started. So here we have this three resume builders which are completely free and which will help you build really good resumes for you. So let's start with this first one, that is resume.com. So by using this you can just build a professional resume for you for completely free. You can just click on create my resume and sign into this so that you can just start your resume preparation. So you can just use this Indeed to sign in with this resume.com so that you can just see all these features that you can manage up to 50 resumes, which is really good and it is completely free. Let us firstly continue as a guest to show you around what are the things with this resumebuilder.com. So here we usually get a template. We can even change the template. You can choose from many templates that are that are provided in this. And the best part is this is ATS friendly. So ATS is something that automatically scans your resume. So bigger companies which gets lots and lots of resumes, they don't review each and every resume manually. They use this ATS system to get the keywords or score your resume and shortlist you by using that kind of resumes. And it is very important that if you are applying for any online position, you just need a resume that is ATS friendly. And we can just choose any of this. Let me just choose this template, and you can change in between templates at any point of time. Here we can just edit the details like your first name, last name, your contact details, your address and all. Save it, and after this you can give the experience and skills. If you just click on this, you can just see something called tips over here, which will be helping you to give more relevant things here so that your resume will be better than others. Here you can just follow these tips that are provided and some of the examples that are provided, and you can add everything that you want. And it do have something like a manage sections where you can just see these are all the sections that are enabled. You can enable more sections also by using this, and also you can add any custom section also by using this. Let's say that I want to add something for my projects. Let's see, I can add it by choosing this new section, that is projects, and I can add any description for my project, that whichever I have done and all. So this is about this resume.com. So once you are done with everything, you can download it. And next comes the other one, that is novoresume.com. So this is very good looking. This will be creating you very good looking resumes. Let's get into it and see how it works. You need to register to this Nova resume. Once I register, I can see what is my experience level, that is student or graduate or intermediate, senior or freelancer. Let me choose graduate, and this wants to send us the special offers and pro tips. Click on yes. And now here you can see all the details that you need to fill. So the better part about this is like you can choose from many templates that are present. You can see you can change the layout, which layout you want. Like you can just see where it all depends upon your skills or the sections that you want to highlight to the recruiter. So let's say that you are a fresher and you want to highlight your education part more to your recruiter. You can just go with this. This is already by default there. And somehow you want to highlight your education work and organizations equally, so you can pick this also. And after that you can just edit the content just by clicking on the content like this. You can edit the sections also. You can add as many sections as you want by using this plus. And once we just go here, we can add our skills, whatever skills you have. We can even click on this plus icon to add a new skill. Like once you just add something over here and click on the plus, you can get another box. In this way this works. And in the similar fashion, you can just add everything, whatever the content you want on your resume, and you can change the theme of it with the colors and all, with this background and the font, whichever you want. You can switch the template in between at any time. There are a lot of options in the Nova resume regarding this templates and all. Here you can see them. So here there are many options for the templates, and if you feel that this is way more better for you, this pro options are better for you, you can go for it also, but the free version is good enough because that this only supports one single page only. So if you want your resume to be on 2 to 3 pages or any other pro options, you think that like they suit you, you can just go for it. And next comes to be my surprise, that is Canva. So the thing is that, like, do you even know that we can create resumes using Canva? Then you need to know this. You just need to go to create design and search for resume, click on resume, and let it load. There are very like huge variety of templates which are present over here. I would say that these are very creative and fancy kind of resumes. You can see it over here. So even you can just change this template style also. So let me just keep it, replace the current page, and here you can see how is this resume. So this resumes are better for something like a creative position like graphic designer, which you can see over here. We can even explore some other templates that are present. Let us go for the resume and check out other templates which are present, and we can even find some. So here you can see how are they, and we can even go for something like corporate templates, corporate resumes, and this is how it looks like. You can even create such resumes using Canva. But the thing is that, like, you can, these are not ATS friendly once you download them. So it is not ATS friendly, but if you want to use it as a offline print, then it is a very good option for you. You have really lot of wide range of templates that are present over here. You can choose one among them. You can edit your content, like you can just click on it, tap on it, and you can edit every text that is present on this particular page. And you can add your own photo over here, and this way you can create your completely free resume that is professional and suits your requirements. That is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.